Valentine's Day is the perfect excuse to slow down, share something sweet, and enjoy a little chocolate. Today, I'm walking you through 8 decadent no-bake chocolate Valentine's Day recipes that are rich, easy, and completely oven-free. Each one is simple enough for beginners, yet elegant enough to impress. Let's start with irresistible chocolate mousse cups. For this recipe, you'll need 8 ounces of dark chocolate, chopped, 2 cups of heavy cream, divided, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Begin by melting the dark chocolate in a heat-proof bowl over simmering water, stirring until smooth. Let it cool slightly. In a separate bowl, whip 1 cup of heavy cream with the powdered sugar and vanilla until soft peaks form. Gently fold the whipped cream into the melted chocolate until fully combined. Spoon the mousse into individual cups and refrigerate for at least 1 hour before serving. Next up is a no-bake chocolate cheesecake that's rich, creamy, and effortless. You'll need 1½ cups of chocolate cookie crumbs, half a cup of melted unsalted butter, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 8 ounces of melted semi-sweet chocolate, and 1 cup of whipped heavy cream. Mix the cookie crumbs with melted butter and press firmly into the bottom of a springform pan. In a bowl, beat the cream cheese and powdered sugar until smooth, then stir in the melted chocolate. Fold in the whipped cream, pour the filling over the crust, and smooth the top. Refrigerate for 4 hours or overnight until fully set. Now let's make a Valentine's classic, chocolate-dipped strawberries. You'll need 12 fresh strawberries, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and half a cup of white chocolate chips, optional. Wash and completely dry the strawberries. Melt the semi-sweet chocolate in the microwave, stirring every 30 seconds until smooth. Dip each strawberry into the chocolate, letting the excess drip off, then place on parchment paper. Drizzle with melted white chocolate if desired and chill for 30 minutes until set. For something extra indulgent, try decadent no-bake chocolate fudge. You'll need 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Combine the chocolate chips and condensed milk in a saucepan over low heat, stirring until melted and smooth. Stir in the vanilla, then pour into a greased 8 by 8 inch pan. Chill for 2 hours, then cut into squares. Next is a stunning no-bake chocolate tart. You'll need 1½ cups of chocolate cookie crumbs, half a cup of melted butter, 8 ounces of chopped dark chocolate, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Press the crumbs and butter into a tart pan. Heat the heavy cream until just simmering, then pour it over the chopped chocolate. Let it sit for 2 minutes, then stir until smooth. Pour the filling into the crust and refrigerate for 4 hours until set. Now let's make a customizable favorite, chocolate bark with nuts and dried fruit. You'll need 2 cups of dark chocolate chips, 1 cup of mixed nuts, and 1 cup of dried fruit. Melt the chocolate until smooth, then spread it onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Sprinkle the nuts and dried fruit evenly over the top, gently pressing them in. Chill for 30 minutes, then break into pieces. For a quick snack with a chocolate fix, try no-bake chocolate energy bites. You'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of nut butter, half a cup of honey or maple syrup, and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Mix everything together in a bowl until fully combined. Roll into bite-sized balls and refrigerate for 30 minutes before enjoying. These no-bake chocolate desserts are perfect for celebrating love with less stress and more sweetness. Whether you're sharing with someone special or treating yourself, each recipe brings rich flavor and simple joy to Valentine's Day. Be sure to check out this video for more.